Hello friends, welcome back to another GitHub tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your company details in your GitHub profile. So once you sign into GitHub, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on profile. Now once you're here, scroll down to the left slightly and you will find an edit profile button. If you haven't got any details there like your name and your position, let's say your bio, it will not show these details. But by editing your profile, you can enter your name and your bio there, which is I just basically put profession type, right? Yeah. Now if you scroll down a little bit more, you will find the company, and here you can put your company details. So let's say I want to put my company details as Drew Tutorial or Drew Tech, whatever, right? Something like that. Location, you can easily go ahead and add your location. This is not going to pop up on allow you to add something from, let's say, a location, but you want to go ahead and type it. So if I want to put Czech Republic, for example, I can type that in as an example. If I want to put Jamaica, where I'm officially from, Jamaica, I can go ahead and type that in as well. Or the USA, it's really up to me what I want to type in. You can choose to fill in full address if you want to, or you can just put the country, or you can just put the city and the country. It's really up to you. Right now, once you do that, just go ahead and scroll on a bit, click and save, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Right? So you will see your profile like this, and this is basically what you see. If you want to see like your public profile, how that's going to look, you can click on your picture, and this is going to show you well your public profile to actually see this. Now, this is just your backend view of your public profile, but to view your public profile, look to the upper right hand side. You'll see go to my personal profile. You can either right click and open that in a new tab, or click on it and it's going to show you what that looks like, right? So you can go ahead and basically check that. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, guys.